Hi there. This is your last assignment, the course outline. I wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about it in greater detail. At the beginning of the course, of course, you remember that I did talk about all the assignments, so I wanted to add just a little bit of detail in this short video. So in front of you here is the tab course outline, of course, weeks 6 to 9. And there's the information. There's a few videos, uh, some readings, samples, and something on organization and course delivery, which is interesting, especially when you're thinking about scheduling and how you want to do your schedule. What comes first, what comes second, that sort of thing. But let's take a look at the course outline assignment again and just emphasize a couple of little things, all right? First of all, there's two parts. There's a 4A and a 4B. There's the actual course outline or brochure. It's worth 10%. And then there's the course outline rationale, which is worth 10%. Okay, so that's the first point. Second point, due at the end of week 9. Of course, you can hand in your assignments early if you want. And since it's a staggered course, every Monday I have a spreadsheet, and I look at the things that are due every week, and I mark those things and give feedback on Mondays. So if you wanted to, if you were working on your course and wanted to hand the course outline in week 8, then you'd get your feedback early, and you could then refine your work and get it back in on week 9 at the regular due date. So that's always an option. I mean, you can work faster if you want. Nothing wrong with that. So pretty straightforward. Course outlines, as I said before, they're marketing tools. They're also information tools. If you're teaching at a college or a university, quite often you'll have a template that you must use, and I encourage you to use those templates because otherwise you're just going to be making work for yourself. Personalize it and add the details in it that make sense for you and your institution. If you're doing a workshop or if you're doing some other course, even at a university or a college, where some marketing is important, then that's the other aspect of the outline/brochure. You may want to use an online brochure or a paper brochure or a Facebook type of social media type of brochure. This is where you can get really creative about the assignment. Okay, so that's just a brief thing, and you'll get more information. And of course, the manual has a whole chapter on how to do a course outline with a template. So it's really just a process that you follow. Here's the rubric, of course, for the first part, the course outline. That's pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, send me an email. Here's the rationale. You have to answer these two questions. Why did you choose the brochure or the template, the course outline format? So we just talked about that a little bit. Tell me what your choices or what your reasons were for your choice. And then provide reasons for your choices related to the key information that you included in the course outline. You know, that's pretty straightforward as well. And there's a suggested template, as I said, in the manual. So there you go. And here's the rubric for that. It's out of 10. If you have the manuals, you'll notice that in the assignments there may be different rubrics or a different grading formula for some of these assignments. So just remember that when you're looking at the manual and take a look at these assignments online to get the grading formulas that apply to the online course. Okay, that's all I have to say about that, other than good luck with it, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.